Hello guys, it's Steve here. It is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018, and in this video I'm going to do a review video. I did a rant last night, but today I'm going to do a review, and what I'm going to review is this Monster Mutant Super Soda White Lightning, and it has 0 sugar. So, yeah. I got this at Speedway last night. I saw it, and I'm like, ooh, I never seen this before. I'm gonna get it. They also have the green one and the red one. I already reviewed the red mutant soda, and I still yet have to review the green one, which I will. But I'm gonna review this one because it looked interesting. No, I don't think this is new. I think it's been around before, but I never saw this. I only saw the red and green one. But I just decided to get this. But the sad thing is, it's 0 sugar, and I don't like drinking things that have, like diet drinks or drinks that have 0 sugar or whatever, because it has that nasty aftertaste. But hopefully that won't bother me. Hopefully it'll still taste good. And yeah, it's like a whitish liquid. It's it's the same color as the Mountain Dew Whiteout. Yeah, it reminds me of the Mountain Dew Whiteout color, because that also had like the same liquid color as this. So yeah, it's an interesting color. And the nutrition facts of this: serving size 20 fluid ounces, 591 milliliters, servings per container 1, calories 10, so it has 10 calories, amount per serving, total fat 0 grams, sodium 480 milligrams, total carbs 3 grams, sugar 0 grams, protein 0 grams, I say grams, God, 0 grams, niacin or whatever, niacin, however the hell it's pronounced, 100%, vitamin B6, 100%, not a significant source of calories from fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Yeah, the ingredients: carbonated water, citric acid, sodium citrate, natural and artificial flavors, potassium, sorbate, preserves freshness, acasulflame. Fuck, I'm not reading it. It's too small to see anyways. And when does this expire? Does it have an expiration date? There's something up here, but it's not an expiration date, I don't think. Not important. But yeah. My cat over here, my cat Dexter, if you could see him, you might be able to see him a little bit. He's just laying here next to my computer. My other cat is on the bed. But yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna move the computer mouse so the screen doesn't go dark. Kinda has a pineapple smell to it. Yeah, it smells like pineapple. That's what I smell. But yeah. Without further ado, let's try this. cat Dexter. And he's yawning. I'll take a couple more sips of this and then I'll talk about it. Alright. Monster Mutant Super Soda White Lightning. It basically has a pineapple flavor to it. Not too strong of a pineapple flavor, but it does taste like pineapple. It's just not extremely strong. And the problem with this, yeah, I knew it would have a diet aftertaste. That nasty aftertaste that diet sodas or just zero sugar sodas or whatever have. I don't like that aftertaste, and this has a lot of it, a lot of that aftertaste in this, and yeah, I don't really, it's just not a good taste. It makes the drink suck ass. That's what it does. I mean, it's not nasty or anything. The pineapple flavor is good. Just the diet aftertaste is just ruining this. It's making it not taste as good. And, yeah, it's a little bit carbonated. Yeah, it's carbonated. But honestly, this really isn't the best. It's not nasty. I'll finish this. I won't dump it down the sink or throw it in the garbage. I'll drink the rest of this. But it's just not the best because of that diet aftertaste. Yeah, it's because it has no sugar in it. That's why I don't like drinking drinks that have no sugar. Or diet drinks, you know? Because they don't taste as good. That aftertaste, it just sucks. But it's okay. It's okay, I guess. The taste is fine. I do like the pineapple taste, but if this had sugar, then it'd probably be a lot better. I'd give it a higher review, but since it doesn't have any sugar and has a diet aftertaste, I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. And it's not that nasty, it's just the diet aftertaste that's making this not that great. But other than that, the pineapple flavor, it's pretty good. But it gets a 7 out of 10. It would be higher if it had sugar in it. But yeah, what do you guys think of this? Have you had it before? What do you think? Feel free to comment down below. And do I recommend this? I guess. It's not the best, but I recommend giving it a try. Especially if you like diet drinks or whatever, then I'd recommend this. But if you don't, yeah, I don't really recommend this. But, I'd say maybe get this if you come across it. As if you like diet drinks again. Would I get this again? No, I will not. But yeah, I'll review the green one as well. I already reviewed the red one back in July. Maybe my next review, or I don't know. Got this at Speedway last night. And, I don't know what else to say about this. It's alright. The pineapple flavor is good, but the diet aftertaste just ruins it. but I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Because it's still alright. It's not nasty where it makes me want to throw up or gag. Or just dump it down the drain. But yeah, I'll finish this. So, that's basically my review. Again, if you like diet drinks, then I recommend this. If you don't, then I don't recommend this. Yeah, I'll do more review videos. I'll do more rants. I did a rant last night. I'm sure a lot of you guys saw it. I'll do more vlogs. And any other type of video I do on this channel. So see you later, guys. Goodbye. Have a good one.